we will do squat jump. In squat jumps, we have to learn that we have to make a squat just like that. Pressure on the thighs and the glutes. Make just like a squat. 90-degree angle at knees. When you have to jump, you have to slice these hands in air like these. When you come back, you have to make sure that your knees are bent. Just like that, your knees should be bent. If you land by your straight knees, then it is very harmful for your knees. And remember that when you are doing this exercise, you have to make sure your chest should be out forward, and but it should not be low towards the land, because if it gets low towards the land, you can have a back pain. Remember that your chest should be outward but not toward the land. Let's get started for the squat jump.
Minimum sloth, minimum stress. Tачки press, classic dress. Minimum gangster, minimum love. Minimum extra. Yeah, number 3G, number 9, minimum gangster.
A beginner athlete can do it 10 repetitions of 3 sets. An intermediate can do 15 to 20 repetitions for 3 sets, and an experienced person can do 30 to 35 repetitions for 3 sets.
Minimum sloth, minimum stress. Tачки press, classic dress. Minimum gangster, minimum love. Minimum extra. Yeah, number 3G, number 9, minimum gangster.
As I tell you in past exercises, you have to must stretch your body. Without stretching, your exercise is waste. As exercise is must compulsory as stretching, and stretching is must compulsory as exercise.
Minimum sloth, minimum stress. Tачки press, classic dress. Minimum gangster, minimum love.
Now, stretch time. Stretch your legs and back. Stretch by lunge these thighs. Pressure on these thighs and these glutes. Make a sure 90-degree angle. Pressure on these both. Assure that 90-degree angle on both legs. Pressure on these and these glutes, thighs and these. Again, lift your foot at back by both hands. Pressure on thighs. Again from this side. Must balance your body. Stretch your back. While doing this, you have to make pressure on these back side. Thank you for watching.